Saturday morning, we are starting off dry. And we're looking at a mix of sunshine and clouds, more clouds, but we'll start seeing some clearing as we head through the morning and the afternoon hours. But once again, rain chances, thunderstorm chances are in the forecast, just like yesterday. It is warm, it's humid, temperatures are in the mid 70s, dew points are in the lower 70s, so that puts our humidity at 94%. So it will remain humid through the rest of today and really through the rest of the work week. Here's a look at your temperatures, lower 70s on the North Shore, 70 in Covington, 72 in Slidell, good morning, Picayune, lower 70s, 74 in Belle Chase, out in Buras nearing 80, and lower 70s in Raceland as well as Homa. So here's what's going on as we take a look at the live radar here, really around our coastal areas, north, west or northeast from Port Fourchon. There's a little cell there, and also looking at some heavy rain south of Cocodrie, all due to a disturbance that's really over the Gulf of Mexico. So that's going to feed some energy for a few coastal showers through the rest of the morning. But we do have a boundary that is over the area right now, and that's going to keep things rather unsettled. So once again, we'll have scattered showers and thunderstorms really moving in as we head into the afternoon hours, as we get that daytime heating, and also with the really hot temperatures heading our way. And downpours, just like yesterday, are possible in a few spots. They'll be more isolated, but watch out for that. As we take a look at your forecast for today, closer to noon, we'll be in the upper 80s, lower 90s as we head into the afternoon hours, and notice the rain chance is starting to bump up. Even as we head into tonight, if you are heading out to the parade, just make sure you have the rain gear with you just in case, because we do run the chance for a few isolated showers. Even though temperatures will be in the 80s, it is still going to feel like the 90s. And as we take a look at your heat indices here, this is when you factor in the humidity, the moisture content in the atmosphere. It's going to already start feeling like the triple digits as we head into the 1 o'clock hour. Closer to 3 and 4, feeling like 104, 105. That's when it starts getting dangerous. So you want to make sure you're staying hydrated if you're planning on being outside today, or even if you're working outside today. Try and take frequent breaks and find shade, AC, so your body can cool down. And as I mentioned before, notice our temperature still feeling like the upper 80s and lower 90s. Here's a look at your local expert forecast. Many of us are expected to climb into the upper 80s and lower 90s. Thibodaux 90 degrees, 91 in Picayune, and lower 90s in Slidell here. So here's a look at your marine forecast. Coastal looking fine. It'll be a bit breezy with winds out of the west between 10 to 15 knots. Lake's pretty smooth though. Winds also out of the west between 5 to 10 knots there, and currently there are no advisories. So today, again, we're looking dry for the most part. We'll see some clearing, lots of sunshine. Notice a few coastal areas continuing to pop up as we head into the noon hour there. And then as we get closer to 3, 4 o'clock, we'll start seeing some light showers starting to pop up really west of us. But then look what happens as we get closer to the 5, 6 o'clock hour. This model trying to pop up stronger storms, again, developing across the area. That's where you see the deep purples and the reds. So again, the possibility of heavy downpours, some lightning with those thunderstorms, and also gusty winds. And then they'll be more isolated through the rest of the evening. Even heading into tonight, we may see a few lingering showers. Things begin to dry out as we head into your Sunday, starting off with lots of sunshine. But once again, that same disturbance still hanging over the Gulf of Mexico, and we might see a few light showers, some thunderstorms early Sunday morning near Venice, Buras, and then as we head into your Sunday afternoon, we have the potential for a few isolated showers and storms. Again, many locations remaining dry, but tomorrow looking much drier. Rainfall potential, many locations for today, also through tomorrow afternoon, could pick up between 1 to 2 inches, and then locally higher amounts up to 3 inches indicated in yellow here. Again, so keep that in mind. The ground is still very saturated, so it's easy for a few locations to flood once again. Ridge of high pressure building off to the west, that is going to head our way as we head into the upcoming work week, meaning it's going to be hot and humid and not a whole lot of rain heading our way, so that's going to allow us to dry out.